हाय एवरीवन, आई एम द अननोन ट्रेडर। लास्ट कुछ टाइम से मेरे लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें ख़राब चल रहा है, इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, मनी, हेल्थ और एवरीथिंग। समटाइम लाइफ विल बी सो मच हैवी, so we're not able to decide like what next we should do. But I will be come back again. If I talk about my relationship, my long relationship gone completely actually. It's a long distance relationship from past 4 5 years. I want to handle it properly, but the things are not going well. I thought become a trader faster and everything will be fine, but it's not like that. Trading takes time, and I want to do trading, but due to some office work, I am unable to do the trading part. I was waiting from long time to get the market down and to grab. It's happening, but due to office work, I am not able to see, and due to all the issue, I am not able to see and not able to do actually. I want to do trading, but my mind is not allowing to do. The reason was so much office pressure, so much relationship, and all the issues I'm not understanding. But yeah, I will be back again. Sometime in life, we will be in one point there, we'll lose everything, and that is the starting point of the things. I don't know how the things will go in future, but I will be stronger. If I see about crypto markets, I never expected, never ever, that much big fall. Silver and gold I already expected because the way it went up. So I was sure, but crypto market, that much big fall, I never expected. I lost long term amount, and I missed the big crash actually. Yesterday only I had seen on options premium around 1000 rupees. I about to buy, but I'm not able to do the trade. Because of so many issues. Because when you are feeling emotional, you should not do trade. If you do anything wrong happen, you will feel more exhausted in that moment. So that 1000 rupees premium went up to 8000 today morning when I saw. So there are a lot of things are going on, but yeah, I will be available and I will be express my emotions, and you can also listen and you might learn something. So whenever something will be then be clear about the things. For example, relationship, if you are feeling like it will not be success for future or anything will be there, just talk about it clearly. That is a big mistake for me. I have done that actually. I did not accepted the things as early as possible. I thought okay, we will manage, but it's not about that. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next session.